Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Subaru XV WRX WR Forester 2014 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Okay, it comes with metal and installation. This metal installation parts, left and right. Okay, and special harness and radio antenna. Okay, and let me show head unit time and the logo. You can choose it, speed, music. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. This sim editor, you can edit any color. Okay, it's here. This auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. This is our Tesla style screen. Okay, and let me check the settings. You can change the setting by default launcher. There are 8 theme style. This is theme style 3. You can change the display theme style with 6, 7, 8, 4. Sorry, it's not changed. Okay, and red theme style with 6. Also, you can set the default launcher and save it, use it always. Okay, you can choose the default launcher and set it always. When you back the home, it will show this style. Okay, let me show settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and this SIM card slot. There SIM card slot supports 4G SIM card slot. Storage, you can check total 128GB and storage memory, total memory 8GB, and you can change the language. But device, you can check this Android version 11 system. Okay, all apps are here. It's radio, FM and AM. It's DSP amplifier. And the built-in Play Store, you can download the application from it. It's nearly built in the Google Maps. And let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. This Bluetooth, enable it and search. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, you can make phone call. Work with free phone call. It also supports play music, streaming music from your phone. Okay. And music. Okay, by USB, you can check this USB one. You can save it. Okay. This DSP amplifier is about. Can adjust sound. Balance. Okay, and video. Okay, and this auto kit for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, if you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, blse.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You also set the HMI car launcher with the home screen. Okay, thank you.